Today, we'll talk about the intersection between technology and finance, specifically artificial intelligence and its impact on the finance industry. Amongst various technological advances impacting finance is AI. So in this video, we will investigate its effect upon it while looking into possible implications this transformation has on business practices and industries in general. AI in banking. Artificial intelligence has transformed banking in numerous ways. One notable change involves customer service. Banks are now using chatbots and virtual assistants for customer care purposes 24/7 without needing human interaction. This has dramatically reduced wait times while simultaneously improving service quality and lowering customer wait times. Furthermore, AI technology has also proven invaluable for fraud detection, risk analysis, investment portfolio management, asset allocation planning, portfolio administration, etc. Artificial intelligence in trading. AI is revolutionizing how traders work. Algorithms and predictive analytics have transformed trading from being slow and ineffective into becoming faster and more effective, with traders now using real-time analysis of large numbers of data for trading decisions in real time versus making calculations manually or leaving decisions up to chance alone. Furthermore, automated trading processes using AI reduce the risk of human error while increasing volume trades significantly. AI in investment management. Artificial intelligence is having a substantial impact in investment management. Machine learning algorithms enable investors to identify patterns in market data and make more informed investment decisions, while AI technology has also been applied in creating automated investment advice services known as robo-advisors that offer tailored advice directly to clients. Implications of AI in finance. Although AI adoption in finance provides many benefits, it also brings challenges. One such challenge is bias risk. AI algorithms rely on training data as their guide. If this data contains inaccuracies, then their algorithm could become biased as a result, potentially leading to unfair or discriminatory results and creating new job roles while making others obsolete. Future of AI in finance. Artificial intelligence future in financial services is undoubtedly exciting, with more applications of the technology appearing across industries as it matures. But as its use advances further, we must remain mindful of risks related to AI use and take appropriate measures such as improving data quality, increasing transparency around AI algorithms, or investing in AI education and training for workforce members. Such measures would all mitigate those associated with using it responsibly. In conclusion, technology's intersection with finance is rapidly revolutionizing the finance industry, with AI playing an instrumental role. All offers many benefits ranging from enhanced customer service, faster trading speeds, and informed investment decisions. Yet, we must not forget its challenges and risk, including bias issues as well as job displacement risk. AI represents exciting possibilities that need to be managed responsibly to take full advantage of all that this new technology can provide us. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. If you like this content, be sure to check out our other videos on cryptos and finance, or listen to one of our curated playlists for instrumental music. We have it all. Your one-stop channel for everything that matters. Give us a like and subscribe if you like. Till we meet again, have a wonderful day.